This has happened with you. You have come across people who does not see opportunity anywhere when you see a lot of opportunity yourself, or you are one of those who does not see opportunity anywhere while your friends look at find opportunities everywhere. Friends, this is Savan Kumar, and today let us talk about the opportunities. There are two types of people actually. When we talk of opportunities, there are two types of people. There is one set of people who see that there are a lot of opportunities, and at the same time you will see another set of people who never see any opportunity with anything. This has happened with you. You have come across people who does not see opportunity anywhere when you see a lot of opportunity yourself, or you are one of those who does not see opportunity anywhere while your friends look at find opportunities everywhere. This happens a lot of time with us, and this same thing happens with money as well. A lot of us, people who are rich, you will see them, they are so positive about money and opportunities that they find it everywhere. The moment they get an opportunity, they grab it and they make money where they can. But you, on the other hand, waits and makes excuses and says something to himself that there is no opportunity around, there is no money around, I cannot make money, there is a shortage of money, and so on. Why is that so? Why does one person sees a lot of money around, and why does the other person at the same time sees no opportunity or no money around? Because the other person who does not see opportunity, does not see money is there around, is because he has his eyes closed. He has his eyes closed, he has his mind closed, he has his body closed. He is full of excuses. He is full of excuses. He does not want to go out, he does not want to work hard, he does not want to make money. He wants to make money, he wants to earn money, he wants to get an opportunity, but he's so lazy that he will not go out. He will not do what is required to do to grab that opportunity. He will not do what is required to do to get that money. Have you ever been to a seaside? A seaside and getting a bucket of water? No matter how many buckets you take from the sea, nobody would even notice how many buckets you took. That is the same with money and opportunity. There is a sea and an ocean of money and opportunities. You can take as many buckets as you want and nobody would even notice it. But you just need to figure out where that sea is, what that ocean is, and how you can get that opportunity, how you can get that money for yourself. But for that, you first need to start believing that there is no shortage of money. You need to start believing that there is enough amount of money and enough amount of opportunities. Once you start saying this to yourself, that yes, 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 only then you start getting to see that yes, you have an opportunity. Has it ever occurred to you or happened with you that when you least expected somebody to see in a particular shopping mall or in a market, even if you saw him in person, your mind was saying that no, he could not be here, he does not stay in this city, he does not stay in this town, he stays somewhere here, somewhere else, so he cannot be here, and you ignored him. You said to yourself that no, he cannot be here. This is what happens with the opportunity and money. If we keep saying that there is no opportunity, there is no money around, even if it comes to us, even if it comes in front of us, we say that it must be an illusion. It must be, I must be wrong. There is no money and opportunity around me. I know that, and I am very sure about it, that there is no money and no opportunity around me. If this has happened with you, if this keeps happening with you, and if you keep saying to yourself that there is no money and there is no opportunity, then you need to change this for yourself, and only you can change this for yourself. I have seen a lot of people around me who just sit idle and keep saying them to themselves that there is no opportunity. I come from a very small village in Bihar, and in that small village, the normal trend is that people leave a village because they say that there is no opportunity there, there is no money over there, and that is why even I maybe moved out. But when I saw a lot of people around me complaining about this, and at the same time my dad being in the same village, staying over there, created enough opportunities for himself, created enough money for himself that nobody else could have thought in that village. And that was because he always said to us and to himself that there are enough opportunities. There is enough money available around and he can grab all of those. And because he thought and he said this to himself, he got that. Similarly, when we move from a small village to a city, that is exactly that time somebody is moving from that city to another bigger city, and then from another bigger city to a different country, and then from there to the next level, saying that there is no opportunity over here. The problem is that we do not see the opportunity. We give ourselves an excuse that because I am stuck in this city or this village or this town, I do not have an opportunity because this town or the city does not have any opportunity. And because we keep saying this to ourselves enough number of times, we start believing or we start knowing actually that there is no opportunity and money, and we stop even trying to figure out or find out for an opportunity or find a way to make money. That is how we do, and that is what happens to us. So if you do not want this to happen to you, you need to start saying to yourself that there is enough opportunity and there is a lot of money available around. I just need to get up and go to it. Money would not come to you. Opportunity would not come to you. You will have to go to them. You will have to reach out to it so that you can get them. Wish you all the very best in getting all the opportunities and all the monies that you have in front of you, spread around you, and get them. Have a good day. Bye-bye.